Oh, what's up, guys? Finally found the tool. I didn't have the gas lines, guys. I think I showed them to you the other day. The only ones I have is these sizes. 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and 1.5. And I had to go get these. These sizes are, and I took off this one. Oh, it was really hard, guys. I took off this one right now. This one just clipped in there and just took it off. The green one is 1.5. I had a 1.5, but it didn't look like 1.5. This one I just put it on there and it clicked off. It was weird. I was having so much trouble with the one that I have, and the other one that I have is bented. It's kind of bented. And I was fixing it yesterday, and I forgot to try it. But yeah, these are just better. And the manual that I brought today tells me that. Well, it doesn't say that those are the best ones, but it's got that picture on the manual, so they're using these kind. So let me put you somewhere and see if I can show you taking off this one, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna try the green one on this one. Because this one's out already. Ooh, it's spewing gas, but I don't want to put it all the way out. I'm gonna take off this watch because there's just too much going on here. Maybe it's a different size. The same size as I think this one. Right? Let's try the black one. Too big. That's what I was doing right now. Let's try the yellow one. Because actually, let's see. The gray, what gray? That gray one? Blue. I have it there. Yellow. Yeah, because it gives me the colors. It's right here. Fuel lines, yellow, green, gray, and blue. So I'm going off that. Oh, wow. It was the other one. Spin it like that, huh? Oh, snaps. Hope I didn't break my damn tool. Jeez, it takes some damn force. Jeez Louise. No, it's doing good. So if you think these are cheap, what brand is it? Performance Tool, PT, O'Reilly's, came in clutch again. So yeah, I was having trouble with that, guys. Let's move on to the next thing. Taking off the fuel rail, and I brought the book. Let me take you out of here. Good thing it didn't break that. It sounded crazy, huh, guys? Whoa, it scared me. That I broke something. So yeah, that's out. Has good gaskets. Those are out. So let me get the book. This is just easy. I'm gonna get some tape and I'm gonna get the book and I'm gonna mark all these too. The numbers, the order that it goes in of the firing order. All right, guys. I just labeled all the wires 7, and the book tells me where they go from following. It tells me how they are on here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then yeah, okay. I'm about to pop off the fuel rail. I took off the bolts. What size is it? It's an 8 mil deep socket because there's some kind of long right there. But I want to pop it off, guys. I want to see if I can put you like right here so you can see me do that. But cool. All right, guys. Let's see if we can pop this sucker off. Let me put on my glove. Get in position. They're all taking off. It's gonna be hard, guys. I don't like to do that one. That one didn't want to come off easy. A lot of fuel came out because we're taking out this thing because we need to fix that hose I've been telling you guys in the other one. There. Oh wow, guys, I'm gonna clean. That's rusted. Darn. These are very expensive, guys. Alright, guys, next thing we're gonna do is break these. Let's get it. Nope, not an 8 on that one. Let me see, that's a 10 mil. I'm gonna put a deep socket on it. A little extendo. Get a wrench for that. Okay, I have the sequence in the book too. We're gonna torque spec these two. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna break them all like that, guys, and show you how to put them back. Oh, what the heck? Let's see if we can get to that one. Oh, snaps. There we go, guys. I'm gonna remove them all, guys, and then I'll show you where I'm picking up the intake manifold. Alright, guys, I disconnected everything already. I had trouble right now. I had to use all those damn pliers, take off this thing. It was put on wrong. There. So now it's ready to take out. See if I can do it with one hand. Oh yeah. Let me put something down in there. Wow. Wow, look how it's getting smashed. It's supposed to have a metal. Oh man. You couldn't even run it through the crack, my friend. Now you run it through that side, that crack. No, he puts it there so you can smash it. Damn. There's my gasket plate. Oh, it was stuck, just pinched. There was no water getting there. Why can't you just get longer hose, dude? Cut the hose and stick it here. Gosh, it's people like you that make a disgrace. Piece of the gasket. I have a new gasket that's gonna go on here. I think it's using that expensive one. Well, I don't know, it broke. Oh shit. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get the vacuum out, clean all this stuff. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to figure out that hose. Probably have to go buy some. But it's supposed to have a hard line. There's nothing in there. Oh, that's a cool little truck. Yeah, there's nothing on there, like you can see. It's supposed to have like 2 inches of soft line, and the rest is a hard molded line. That you connect the breast, you connect the soft line to the end of that, and it probably creeps down to that hole. But that crack over there. What I'm gonna do is run it through that crack out as best I can. That's gonna be hard because it's right there and it angles real hard, and it's already kinking, so it's gonna kink. Yeah, it's not gonna be good. I'll just delete the heater, and in a couple of days here in Texas, it's gonna get really cold for us. 40 some degrees is cold for us, so it's gonna get like that. And I want to have heater at least, because I don't have heater no more than that. The heater cord went out in that. I gotta fix that, and I want to have air condition and stuff like that, and heater. So I'm gonna have to unplug that and take it to the shop, to the O'Reilly's, and see if they can get me a hose. Just, I guess, some heater hose. See how much it is. Oh gosh, guys, I just found something like bad. The whole manifold is messed up, guys. Right here, it's not supposed to be broken. That's gonna mess up the seal. Water's gonna get into stuff. I don't even know what stuff, but no wonder there was a lot of silicone. It's broken there. And then over here, guys, it's not gonna seal on top. That's broken too. So I'm gonna have to see how much these cost and order one, guys, because this is not gonna work. It's gonna give me heating problems, and I might mess up the engine. Something that costs $100 can blow up my engine. That can cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars, thousands and thousands of dollars. So oh gosh, I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard, guys, see if I can find a V8 one. I couldn't even find a V8 gas tank. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Pancho's charging the battery. Charging the battery, Pancho. Yes, Richard. Charging the battery. I'm making sure nothing happens to it. Okay. And make sure you don't overcharge. So, yeah, guys, and this, I'm gonna clean it. This can be used. This is the good thing about this. It's metal, aluminum actually, and it can be used again. So I'm gonna see how much that is. Yeah. So, what a buzzkill. Just corrosion, I guess. So I think there's gonna be a part 3, guys. I'm probably gonna have to like wait a couple days, maybe like 7 days, if I do order it from somewhere. If I do, guys, I'll give you an update and I'll tell you where I ordered it from. But yeah, and those, I need to get those cleaned. I'm gonna take them somewhere, see if they can like clean them for me. Those are very expensive too. Yeah, it sucks, guys. But yeah, and then I have to go see. I need to go buy this hose. But if I'm gonna get this new or used but new, I need to find out what kind of metal thing went in there, and if I can find it. But yeah. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.